Dave is actually confirming with me, and the lady seated over there of our next stop, Nyabohanse village, the last village towards the border between Kenya and Tanzania. It's called the Sibanya Sirare border. I hope also tomorrow I get a chance to go up there. The land is very, very green, and it seems like this place receives quite some good amount of rainfall every year. And, being here will be an amazing experience. Every moment counts. Let's press contact, let's meet other people who are doing the same thing with the same interest. And when we align our interests, we can achieve so much more together. And so we're spending this Christmas in this village. Right now, I only know 3 people. I know the lady who was sitting here. I know the lady who was sitting with me. She alighted at Pamela. She's called the Hem, and she told me she's a very distant cousin to Martha. Now that one I know Nasto, but Nasto is communicated that we've never met. Martha we communicated via email that we've never met. So right about now I just know one person actively around this area, the Hema Mabera, and actually we are going to do some content with her. Maybe she can start her own YouTube channel so that we push each other to achieve greatness together, because in this journey it's somewhat to hold hands. You need a team to move together so that at the end of the day you achieve a lot. If you are new here, this is ANOTO in China. I'm bringing you another vibe. I know Maro has been receiving visitors from all over the world. I don't know if somebody from China has come to this place. So maybe I'm asked from China and also from Italy, because my home is in Kenya, Africa, a place called Italy. If you follow my blogs and the document my experiences in Italy, Italy Museum, Italy Nature Conservancy, some national and also wedding, and so much more on my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, please follow subscribe, more content coming. I can now see Nyabohanse Medical Center. This is Nyabohanse village now. This is I've seen these places on the videos. Nyabohanse. So I'm gonna light this one. Just a minute. Yeah. So didn't mshukuru sana. Naelewa. Sawa. Oh, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Come. Yeah. Hi, how are you doing? Good. My name is Brian.
I'm Frank.
You're Frank. Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm going to, you know Maja's place?
Majas, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, at a PNB. Yeah. Take me there.
To Majas place.
Yeah, I was told it's 50 bob and I should not be exploited. All right. Let me give him a gift. Calendar.
I'm
fine.
Is this bag yours?
No.
How that go?
Wait, I want to give you a calendar.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No, I just have one offer. Oh yeah. Okay, you can have this gift. Okay. So come. Yeah. So let's head together with this guy. Europe have carried everything. Europe have carried everything. I hope so. So here we are, Nyabohanse, the village. So this one is very delicate.
Okay.
How will you carry it?
Let me show you.
It's glass.
Glass?
Yeah.
Go on.
It should not break.
Go on.
Even if you fall, we break, it should not break.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So here we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. ANOTO in China.
Sorry?
ANOTO in China. ANOTO in China. ANOTO in China. Okay, thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Oh, these guys are asking me about my YouTube channel. I'm telling them ANOTO in China. So we're going to Maja's BNB. So let's see how it goes. This is Nyabohanse village. Deep Wango has a farm somewhere here. I know it's and she intends to build a petrol station someday. Right now she's in Jamaica. I want to be able to so I'm going to Maja's place. It's not so far, it's here. Who's that? Nasto? Okay, I think I think that should be Nasto. So let's see. This is the place. This is the place. Oh. Okay. Hi Nasto. ANOTO in China. Can I film you?
No problem.
Okay, finally. Your
Yes.
phone went off.
Yeah, my phone went off.
Yeah, but actually, when I was coming,
Yes.
I sat next to a girl called Rehema.
Oh,
There's a music video you guys shot,
yes.
and she was the vixen.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I know her.
You know her?
Yes.
Yeah, so she says she's a distant cousin to Ayamaro, and in case
Yeah,
I find any difficulty, I call her.
Okay.
Are those two calendars or just one?
There are two.
To give us to one.
You know, this is the company I used to work for.
Yeah,
For a very long time.
Yeah, you have to. In fact, coming, I was thinking about maybe I should ask Nasto about that experience working there.
Yes, this was the best company. It gave me a very good foundation.
Mm-hmm.
It taught me well, and it respects passengers.
Yeah, we come very
much,
swiftly, very professional.
Yeah, very professional
Yeah.
company, guys. So
Yeah.
if you want to travel, this is the best.
Yeah. And maybe if Nasto accepts, we can do a documentary about that.
No problem.
No problem.
Yes.
Okay, finally,
I'm,
nice to meet
I'm
you.
happy you're here.
Yeah.
Actually, I was getting to Maja's place so that I can charge my phone.
Oh,
Because it
yeah.
went off.
Yeah.
And I went to visit my mom.
Okay.
So I just got back. And
Oh.
I was thinking of charging the phone.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And this is Marwa's gift.
Yes.
Oh, the hardest part of moving with this
You
thing.
have arrived when the
I-
party
I-
is over.
I want to be unique. They say create your own path and flow with it.
Yes.
Yeah. Because when traveling,
Yes.
I was not purposely to come to the party.
Yes.
That's what actually I requested Marwa to come after.
Yes.
Yeah, but maybe we will get to that.
Okay, no
Yeah. So let me pay this guy.
Have you talked to Maja?
No. I'm fresh here.
Oh.
Yeah. But if he has a BNB, then we can find.
Mmeniona wapi kwa?
From the
Oh.
gate. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay,
What's your name once again?
I'm Frank.
Frank. Nice to
Frank,
meet you.
okay.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Okay.
Okay. So let me finish this video here.
Yes.
And then, because I need permission to,
Okay, no
yeah.
problem.
So, ladies and gentlemen, finally from China,
Yes.
all the way, Guangzhou City, Changsha City, Nairobi, Nakuru, Narok, Bomet, finally,
Nyabohanse village.
Nyabohanse village. Let's see what Nyabohanse has in store for us. I'm happy I've met Nasto for the first
this
time.
is Nasto, guys. I'm
Yeah.
a YouTube content creator from the village here,
Yeah.
Nyabohanse village.
Yeah.
Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also feel free.
Yeah.
You're most welcome in
Yeah.
our village.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel at home. for
Okay,
sure.
yeah.
Yes.
And this guy is very, very big. Very big. Actually, I have
not a
lots
big
of
YouTuber.
respect. Very big YouTuber. I that one I promise.
Yes.
But thank you so much for welcoming me.
Thank you so much.
Follow me also. It's ANOTO in China. That's the name of my YouTube channel. I'll be documenting about my experiences here in Nyabohanse. Thank you and be blessed. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye. ANOTO in China. It's Nasto.
Nasto here, guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye.